Hello, this is Paul, and I welcome you back to Unit 8, and we're on Part 5 now. And in this unit, we are talking about the Paint program. And the Paint program is much more useful than thought of. I have mentioned it before that it can be used for programming and really defining a lot of colors to be used in other developments such as HTML and different other databases to create a display on your screen to get the colors that is desired. Now, in this, I'd like to remind you that we do have 28 colors on the bottom of the screen as a color palette. This color palette will enable you to make a single click to make a decision on what color to use for colors of text or colors of line colors or even backgrounds, and be able to click very quickly. It is a quick selection, and it's limited to 28 out of 48 colors that are available through the color palette. When we go to the menu bar, we select colors and edit colors, and we see all the colors that are suggested. Often when we design our documents, we want a special color that is not exactly like what is on the grid. So we're going to choose the button to define custom colors. When we define such a color, it will show up on one of these boxes that will have that there and be able to use it from one program to another. And to do this, we'll go back and we will select that button for Define Custom Colors, and it will open another section in the box with a nice selection of a rainbow. From the top, it's very sharp. On the bottom, it kind of blends in and gets more pastel. But we are able to make an easy selection this way. On the bottom, you can see where we have the basic colors listed of red, green, and blue. And those numbers will change when we make a selection of whatever color we want. And also, this box will show the saturation point, which will be adjusted as we use the bar on the side and use the slider to go up and down. These numbers are important to be able to give us the code that we use when developing any kind of program. It's for professional use. However, you can make your own colors and make use of it as well. And also, we are able to see this box here to realize this example of what that color actually looks like. To demonstrate this, I have made a random selection, and I also make the slide go up and down to give it the intensity that I want, and I have a display of the color that I have selected. Now also notice that those numbers that I showed you, they have changed, and I will make note of this to be able to use that color in my web design or whatever I'm developing. I can use it on any program that I wish. Once you have made all the adjustments to the color desired, you can press the Add to Custom Colors, and once you do that, you'll be able to see it show up on the color palette on the bottom of your window. The actual Add the Color window will close itself. Now, on the next unit, we're going to get into being able to put a picture on your document or clip art. So that's going to be making a very nice presentation for those of us that are not the best artists around, but also with this program, many special effects can take place as well. So be sure to move on and see what we can do with clip art.